Hi everybody, nice to see you and nice to have this moment to speak to you from Uganda at the Sounds of Hope Children's Center. Well, we have been doing so many activities over the time. Yes, serving people who are starving, the hungry, and then pregnant mothers, and our single mothers and children with foodstuffs. You people have done a very credible job. We are really excited that these people can have something for them to eat for the next 2 or 3 weeks from this moment. Right now we are able to at least feed 34 families, but we are targeting to feed about 100 families. The others are still in white and they are still waiting for anything that can come in their way to facilitate their stay.
Hey guys, this is Edith from Uganda, basically from South of Hope in Lugazi. You guys, we thank you very much for the support that you're rendering to us, our women, our single mothers who have been suffering for food. In fact, there have been a scarcity of food, whereby others have been staying without food for some 2 to 3 days. But through your support, they have been able to at least to serve 34 families, and a number of 66 families are still waiting for us. But for us to support them, it's through you that we can stand with them. So we call upon your support so that we can continue supporting them with food and stores. Thank you very much for the support that you're rendering to us.